Kamusta guys? Kamusta means how are you in Filipino language. For today's video, I will be sharing one of my childhood's dishes, which is very simple yet gave so much joy to me as a kid. Let's go and buy some ingredients at our typical convenience store here in our village. Yes, it's very muddy at a pathway of our farm because it's been raining so hard for a week now, and we're so glad that Mr. Sunshine showed up today. So I'm going to turn off the sound, guys, because the guy is playing the music and will get copyrighted. So this is a typical Filipino convenience store. We call it sari-sari store. And the dish that we're going to cook today is sardines with udong. It's a noodle that we can buy for a cheap price. So this is our sardines, guys. It used to be 10 pesos when I was a kid, but now the price is already 27 pesos per can. So let's go back to the farm now. And yes, I tied my skirt because it's hard to walk through mud wearing a maxi skirt. So it was really a wrong decision to wear a long skirt today. This is what we bought, guys. It's so good to reminisce your childhood because we are able to see how good our God is. I'm so thankful to God for keeping us healthy, for providing everything we need on a daily basis, and He also gave us a lot of lessons along the way which made us a better person. I'm just so happy that we can finally afford 2 cans of sardines. Well, before it was very hard to buy even just 1 can of sardines. And you know what? This will just be eaten by me and my dogs. Well, before 1 can was for a family of 5. So we have to cook it with a lot of water or soup to make sure it will be enough for us. Well, those kind of memories are so precious to me because it makes me grateful for what we have now. Even though our life was so simple before, I cannot consider it very poor. In some ways, we are poor financially, yes, but with the joy, peace, and love that we have in our hearts, it's one of the things that we can consider rich. I remember during our childhood, hunting for wild crops was one of our fun get-together with my friends. Before hunting, we would go to the river to swim, and on the way home, that's the time that we're gonna hunt the wild ferns, taro, and water spinach for us to eat, and so our grandparents won't get mad because we went swimming. Usually they don't allow us to go swimming without the adults, but since we are kids who love to go swimming, it was really fun. So let's start cooking now. The dish that we're gonna cook is a sardine soup with noodles, and we will do some twists.